Hello everyone, welcome to Nirvan Gyan Kosh. This is Himanshu sir. Today I have brought the word-to-word explanation of class 12th English poetry Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. First of all, I would like to have a glance on the poetry, and in this video I have tried to explain it in an easy way so that you can understand it easily. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel by pressing the bell button so that you can get all the notifications of all our videos on time. In this video, you will get the complete explanation of the poem in English. Now I would like you to listen it very carefully. The very first, let me tell you what this poem is about. In this poem, the poet Pablo Neruda draws our attention to the need of quiet introspection, rush and hurry, and actions of all human beings. He draws our attention to the chaos and trouble in the world caused by human actions and human beings. He says it is the right time to give a pause to our deeds. The need of hour is introspection, but introspection is possible only when we remain silent for a few moments. Now we will discuss stanzas one by one. Stanza 1. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. In this stanza, the poet wants us to count up to 12 and he wants all of us to keep still. But here the question arises, why does he talk about 12 only? He might have used this phrase count to 12 to indicate that also there are 12 points in a clock. Earlier I told you the poet wants all to have quiet introspection, and that is possible only when we become silent. Now stanza 2. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Here the poet says, for at least once we should be silent and should not speak in any language on the surface of the earth. He says, generally when we speak, we use harsh words among us. But if we remain silent for a while, there will be no language barriers among us. Here he makes an appeal to us to stop for a second, to stop all our actions and should not move our arms much because our arms are always action oriented. Actually, he wants all of us to stop all our activities on the surface of the earth. Now stanza 3. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Now the poet says, after giving a pause or a stop to all our activities or actions, there will create a pleasant and exotic moment because there will be no rush and no engines. Means when we become silent, its result will always be very positive. He says, we will all be enjoying that sudden, unusual, pleasant moment together, and it will give birth to unity among people. Now stanza 4. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. In this stanza, the poet says, also the fishermen fishing in the cold sea should give a halt, should give a stop to their killing of whales so that the whales will be safe. Means fishermen in the form of human being will not destroy nature. Not only this, but also the man who is gathering salt should look at his wounded or injured hands because earlier he had no time to look at them. Means the poet wants him to take care of his hurt, injured hands. Now we talk about stanza 5. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors. Here the poet wants to give a piece of advice to those who prepare or wage different kinds of wars on earth, like wars against humanity or environment, wars with the use of gases, and wars using firearms. Here he talks about all kinds of wars on earth. He wants all such warmongers to stop their destructive deeds. He wants to make them realize that war has no victor. Even if they have the victory, there will be no survivor to celebrate it. Now stanza 6. Would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Here the poet gives an advice to the warmongers that they should put on clean clothes and they should go out for a walk with their brothers, means they should promote brotherhood between them. They should enjoy doing nothing, but they should not have any kind of fighting or war between them. Now stanza 7. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. Now the poet wants all to be silent for a few moments, but he wants himself and all not to be confused with total inactivity. And remember, he doesn't want death of all. He doesn't mean death of all. He says he has no association or relation with death. He just makes a clarification that life keeps going on and will keep going on. Now stanza 8. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing. The poet reminds us that all the human beings run their lives single-mindedly just with the aim of completing all their tasks. They are always self-centered and selfish, so they should not think of themselves only. Stanza number 9. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Poet says human beings become sad because they do not understand themselves and keep threatening themselves with the fear of death. But sometimes doing nothing could be a good solution, could be a good thing for all of us. Moreover, taking rest will help us all to understand the real purpose of life. He says, when we become silent, the huge silence will create, and that huge silence might interrupt our sadness. Now stanza 10. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Here the poet says, we all can learn a lesson from the earth. He says, with different seasons, earth also has to undergo changes, but after some time, everything becomes normal and comes back to normal life. He says, when everything seems to be dead or inactive, but only one thing is there, that is earth, that remains always alive. Now stanza number 11. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. At last he says he will count to 12, all will keep quiet and he will go. Now have a look on the important words of the poetry. I hope you must have understood this very well. Please send your queries regarding the same in the comment section. If you like my video, please share it with your nears and dears. Thank you.